If there was a time you wanted to lick your screen, this might be one of them. This is where you wish you could smell a video. Nick out at Gippsland Premium Meats asked me if I could make something with lamb belly. For those of you unsure, we still need to cook the lamb. It's far from finished yet. Seasoning for the lamb will be kept nice and easy. Now seasoned, you can pop these lamb lollipops back in the fridge until you get the barbecue ready. If you don't smash the like button and leave me a comment, that should be illegal. When preparing lamb, make sure you have a beer close by. Hydration is key to preparing a great cook. We'll need a glaze to go with the lamb lollipops, and you know the drill. Grab yourself a small saucepan. Just warm the glaze up over a low heat. We just want to combine the flavours. We will add this to the lollipops later in the cook, and when we do, we'll just warm it up again. Today, I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle, and I'll be pairing it up with Heat Beads original briquettes and a couple of chunks of cherry smoking wood. And I'll be utilising the snake method, as I want to be smoking around about 150 degrees Celsius today. Don't forget to carefully place the grill back in. Once the lid's back on, make sure all the vents are wide open and the lid vent is on the opposite side of the lit fuel. That way when you put your food in, you'll be drawing the heat and the smoke directly over your food. You can start closing down the bowl vents when we get about 50 degrees Celsius off our target temp. Cooking time for this recipe will be 2 hours and 15 minutes. Or for those of you who follow my beer timer, you're looking at a 5 beer cook. So, beer me up with a better beer. Oh! Once the Weber is at temp and has been stable for 20 minutes, we can get the lamb lollipops into it. I'll leave these alone for an hour and a half. So, go and amuse yourself. The average distance between the Earth and the Moon is 384,400 kilometres. We're an hour and a half into the cook. It's time to have a look at the lollipops and flip them. Nothing to see here. We'll come back in half an hour. I've just warmed the sauce back up because we are nearing the 2 hour mark since we put those lollipops into the Weber to smoke. If there was a time you wanted to lick your screen, this might be one of them. The glaze doesn't need long to set and tack up. 15 minutes is more than enough time. Apparently, people who have subscribed to this channel have experienced weight gain and happiness. You don't need an invitation, grab these off the grill and serve up. And the results? Super tasty, not dry, but moist.